Okay, children, understanding elementary shapes chapter part 3. Okay. What is an angle? In geometry, angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common endpoint. Angle is represented by the symbol. See the symbol for angle they are given. Here the angle below is angle AOB. What this means? OA is a ray, OB is a ray. AO and OB where they are intersecting at common point O. So that angle will become AOB. In the pink I have drawn, no? In figure pink, that is an angle AOB. Right and straight angles. When angle formed is 90 degrees, it is called a right angle. When angle formed is 180 degrees, it is called straight angle. See here, this is a right angle. AB and BC are two rays. They are intersecting at B. ABC will form a right angle. This is a figure of a straight angle, 180 degrees. When the angle is at 180 degrees, it is called straight angle. Four directions. What are the four directions? You have to know this: north, south, east and west. Okay. Now what is clockwise and anti-clockwise direction? When you are moving towards clockwise direction, you are moving towards your right hand side. When you are moving in the anti-clockwise direction, you are moving to the left hand side. That is called anti-clockwise. Points to remember: clockwise, always turning towards right means clockwise direction. Turning towards left, anti-clockwise direction. 1/4 rotation when you are turning, turn 90 degrees or one right angle. Half rotation, turn 180 degrees or turn two right angles. 3/4 rotation, turn 270 degrees or three right angles. One full rotation, turn 360 degrees or four right angles. First question, exercise 5.2 solutions. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? 3 to 6, I told you, for every 3 numbers there is one right angle. 3 to 6 is 1, 6 to 9 is one more. So 1/4 revolution is also one right angle. I told you, no? So 2 half revolution is what? 2 right angles. So 2 right angles if you are turning, 3 to 6, 1, 6 to 9 is 1. So 1, it is half a revolution. 4 to 7, 1/4 revolution. Because for every 3 numbers I told, 1/4 revolution, one right angle. 7 to 10, 1/4 revolution. 12 to 9, 12 to 3, 1/4 revolution. 3 to 6, 1/4. 6 to 9, 1/4. So totally 3/4 revolution. 1 to 10, 1 to 3, 1 revolution, 1/4 revolution. 3 to 6, 1/4 revolution. 6 to 9, 1/4 revolution. 6 to 3, 6 to 9, 1. 9 to 12, 1. 12 to 3. So totally 3/4 revolution. Or you can follow this method also. So 3 to 9, what you can do? 9 minus 3, 6 divided by 12. Why it is 12? The maximum number in the clock is what? 12. 6 divided by 12. Half revolution. 4 to 7. 7 minus 4, 3 divided by 12. 12 is the highest number in the clock. So 3 by 12. 3 ones are 3 fours are 1/4 revolution. Same thing you have to do for all this. Okay. 7 to 10. 10 minus 7, 3 by 12. 1/4 revolution. 12 to 9 or 0 to 9. That is 12th. The 12th hour is also called 0 hour. 0 to 9. So 9 minus 0, 9 by 12. 3/4 revolution. 1 to 10. 10 minus 1, 9 divided by 12. 3/4 of a revolution. 6 to 3. You can do like this or very easy method. 6 to 9 is 1/4 revolution. 9 to 12, 1/4. 12 to 3 is 1/4. 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 is 3/4 of a revolution. Where will the hand of the clock stop if it starts at 12? Makes half a revolution clockwise. 12 to 3 is 1/4 revolution. 3 to 6 is 1/4. So half revolution is 6 o'clock. Starts at 2 and makes half revolution clockwise. Half revolution clockwise starting at 2. 2 to 5, 5 to 8. Starts at 5 makes 1/4 revolution. 5 to 8. Starts at 5 makes half of a revolution clockwise. 5 to 8, 1/4 revolution. 8 to 11 is 1/4 revolution, totally half. So it will stop at 11. Starting solutions are given here. Go through these solutions. If you still cannot get, you can ask me over phone. Same thing I told you, 5 to 1/4 revolution means one right angle. One right angle means for every 3 numbers I told there is one right angle. So 5 to 8 is 1/4 revolution or one right angle. 5 making 3/4 revolution means 5 to 8, 1/4 revolution. 8 to 11, 1/4 revolution. 11 to 2, 1/4. So totally 3/4 of a revolution. Exercise 5.2, question 3. Okay, first question is, which direction will you face east and make half revolution clockwise? When you are facing east and you are making half revolution clockwise. So east to south is 1/4 revolution or one right angle. South to west is 1/4. So totally half revolution. You are facing west. East and make 1.5 revolution clockwise. East and 1.5 revolution clockwise means 1.5 one revolution is 360 degrees plus half revolution is 180. Totally 540 degrees, or how many? 6 right angles. East to east is 4 right angles, and again east two more right angles you have to turn, east to south, south to west. So it will be facing west. Okay, the C question is west and 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise. So you are facing west and you have to do 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise. Facing west, 3/4 revolution anti-clockwise means west to south, south to east, east to north. Now facing south, making 4 revolutions or one full revolution means what? Don't get confused when I say full revolution in exam. Full revolution means 4 right angles or 360 degrees. South to west, west to north, north to east, east to south is the answer. South it will stop. So question 5.2, exercise 5.2, question 4. We start from east, reach at north, 3/4 revolution is required. East to south 1/4 revolution, south to west, west to north. Okay. Again, if we start from south turning clockwise to face east, 3/4 of revolution is required. If we start from west turning clockwise to face east, half revolution is required. Question 5. 3 to 6, the hour hand, how many right angles does the hour hand travel when it comes from 3 to 6? You know it is one right angle because for every 3 numbers, one right angle. 2 to 5, 1. 5 to 8, 1. So totally 2 right angles. 5 to 11 means 5 to 8, 1 right angle. 8 to 11 is 1 more right angle. 10 to 1. 10 to 1 is 1 right angle. 12 to 9. 12 to 3, 1 right angle. 3 to 6, 1 right angle. And 6 to 9, 1 right angle. So 3 right angles. 12 to 6. 12 to 3, 1 right angle. 3 to 6, 1 more right angle. Question 6. Okay. So when you are facing north, you have to turn to west, clockwise direction. 1 right angle you have to turn. North and turn anti-clockwise to east. North, when you are facing north, you have to turn anti-clockwise direction. North to west, 1 right angle. West to south, south to east. So 3 right angles. Now what is the fourth question? You are facing west and you have to come to west again. So how many right angles you have to travel? 4 right angles. West to north, north to east, east to south, south to west. Then south to north in the clockwise direction. South to west, west to north. 2 right angles. Starting from 6, turning to 1 right angle, our stops at 9. Answer. So 1 right angle, if you travel from 6, you are going to stop at 9. Starting from 8, turning to 2 right angles, our end stops at 2 because 2 to 5, 1 right angle, 5 to 8, 1 more right angle. Starting from 10, turning to 3 right angles, our end stops at 7. 10 to 1, 1 right angle, 1 to 4, 4 to 7. So 3 right angles. Starting from 7, turning to 2 straight angles, our end stops at 7. One straight angle is how much, children? 180 degrees or 2 right angles. So 4 right angle means what? 360 degrees. 7 to 10, 1 right angle. 10 to 1, 1 right angle. 1 to 4, 4 to 7. Stops at 7. Summary of the lesson. Angle is a figure formed by meeting of two rays at a point. Right angle is an angle formed. When the angle formed is 90 degrees, it is called a right angle. When angle formed is 180 degrees, it is called straight angle. When we are moving towards right, we are moving in the clockwise direction. When we are moving towards left, we are moving in the anti-clockwise direction. Okay, children? We'll continue with the next part in the next session.